Good morning, class. My name is Clarkent Alvarez, and I am your teacher today. Now, let us discuss feminist theory. Feminist theory is a broad and diverse set of theoretical frameworks that seek to understand and challenge the ways in which gender, particularly the oppression and marginalization of women, operates within society. It examines how gender intersects with other social categories like race, class, sexuality, and ability to create systems of inequality. Feminist theory has evolved over time, giving rise to various schools of thought that focus on different aspects of gender relations, power, and social justice. Here are some key approaches and ideas within feminist theory. Number 1. Liberal feminism. Liberal feminism advocates for individual rights, equality, and justice. It focuses on the legal and political rights of women, including the right to vote, access to education, and reproductive rights. It emphasizes reform within existing structures of society to achieve gender equality. Number 2. Radical feminism. Radical feminism argues that gender inequality is rooted in patriarchal system of power that structure all aspects of society. It calls for a complete restructuring of society to dismantle this patriarchal system. Radical feminists often emphasize the importance of challenging traditional gender roles and sexual norms. Number 4. Black feminism. Black feminism focusing on the unique experience of black women and the ways in which race, class, and gender intersects to create particular forms of oppressions. It critiques about mainstream feminism, which often ignores the concerns of women of color in the traditional civil rights movement, which has often been male-dominated. And that's all, and thank you.